reading maps, different 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 kinds. Reading maps of reading maps of different kinds. Here we see that like a different maps. This is that like a evergreen forest map. This is that like a beach area map in South America where there is a Brazil Jai, Cocona Beach. And next one like a, this is that like a desert map. We are finding that like a Sahara desert in that like a Africa also Jai. And next one that like a, this is the completely snow Jai, the continent completely that like a yes snow Jai. This is also that like a Antarctica. That these four are that like a different maps. This is evergreen. This is that like a coastal area, and this is mountains. And like a, this is that like a coastal area. This is that like a desert area, and this is a that like a polar region, completely the land covered by ice. These four are that like a different maps. Today we see that like a yes, the world also that like a full of variety. Different also the food habits also, places also, and like one language also. Like a way of living also. The places also different. So that's why Earth is a fully variety. So the variety of the world is also that like a we live the full of that like a variety. Mountain, hills, sea coast, and that like a desert and forest. So these are the so bring that like the copy of that like a school atlas. Many different kinds of that maps are there. Okay, when we see that like a map atlas, there is a different types of that like a yes maps also there. Geographical map, some maps to represent the information about that like a mountains, all the India and that like Asia continent, according to continent wise, according to that like a country wise also that like a yes, we find the information about that like a mountains. Next one plains, next one hills. So next one like a countries, next one that like a climatic conditions, next one that like a rainfall. Okay, does it like this? We find the number of that like a maps in Atlas also there. In Atlas, so let here that we learn read some simple maps. Okay, in sixth class also we see that like some maps also the different types of that like a maps. Okay, what is that? Reading maps and different kinds of the maps. We have seen in that like a this class also there. Example of the evergreen forest. Evergreen forest, that is also one type of that like a yes physical like a geographical that like a map also there. Forest area map in Karnataka there. Western Ghats. This is one type. Next one that like a one is that like a yes beach area there. Coastal area. Okay. Ghats area, the forest area, coastal area, desert area, or that like a ice area. So these are that like a different kinds of the maps. So the maps to give that like a information that particular place. Example of that like a Western Ghats side, they give the information guide. Okay, we find that like a evergreen forest also, different types of that like a trees also, and wild animals also we are finding that like in that areas also there. And also yes, high rainfall also there. We find in that like a Western Ghats in India there. Next symbols. First one like a symbols. 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 Point. point, line, point, line, area. We use the symbol to show that like any physical object. In sixth class also, we are learning. Okay. We see that like we cannot draw that like any real feature on that like a map also, Jay. Because of the when we draw that like the real feature of that like a object, it's like it's occupied that like a yes large place. So that's why we use that like a symbols. Means that symbol to represent that like a particular information there. For example, we give that like a one symbol there, PS. PS. PS means that when we mention that like in Inkolum Mandal map that in PA, PS means that is to represent that like a yes, there is a police station. That is the police station. And next one that like a we mentioned that like a POA. That is also that like a yes, post office. When we to see that like a zigzag line, yes, there is a yes, a river. These are the symbols, okay, to use. Because of that we cannot draw the real feature on a map. If you are asked to show that like a Delhi in India map, we will mark like a point. Okay, why we are mentioning that like a yes point in the map, Jai? Because of that like a yes India, that like a Delhi, it is the capital of India, Jai. Generally capital to show that like a yes point, Jai. What is it? Ah, yes point. And like a to label to Delhi to show that like a yes river Manjira to draw that like a line also, Jai. Along that like a coast and that like a the railway track also, Jai. Railway yes track. This is that like a railway track. And this is a river. And this is a post office. Post office. And next one, this is the police station. Police station. Like that, we show the symbols on that like a yes map side. And also in Andhra Pradesh, the map, if we went to show that like a area of that like a Medak or a Hyderabad district, we demarcated that like the boundary and that mark with that some of the color or pattern which is known as that like a real symbol. So here, point, line, area, color, these are all called that like a real symbols. The map make us to use that, and also every map maker they use that like a the symbols also there to show that like a to represent that like a information particular that like a place also there. So here the dot here they are not mentioned that like a what is it? They are not mentioned that like a they are mentioned only here states. They are not mentioned that like a yes capital say. But another map, this is a states of India, right? But dot Srinagar and that like a Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, okay, Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh, right? Okay, like that. These are that like some important. That's why we show that like that point to represent that like a capital of that like a places also, right? Capital of places. Next one, physical map. Physical physical map. Physical map, Jai. We see that you will find some maps in your atlas called that like a physical map. In these maps, you usually the different parts of that land colored in like a green, yellow, brown. Actually, they show the variety of that landforms, plains, mountain, plateaus, and that like a the height of that like a place a physical maps. Example of that like a this is that like a one areas like a here there is a yes, mountain areas also there. Like these are that like a yes, green field also there. Green field and like here also there is a yes, water body also there. And like there is a yes, one stream means that like a one river also coming one river also that like a coming from that like a mountain areas to the join into that like a Bay of Bengal there, and also between that like a, here we find that like a, that yes, settlements also there, people they are living these areas, and like these are that like yes, grasslands also there, these are the hills, and like these are the grasslands, and these are the settlements, and this is a water bodies. Water, yes, bodies. So every in physical map, we show that any physical example of that like a hills also, mountains also, plateaus also, plains also, right? There to show that like a with the help of colors also, they use the color. They use a colored forest also there to use that like a thick colored yellow color to use that like a yes, grasslands or that like a yes, cropped area, light green grasslands. Brown color also they show that like a yes, mountains, mountain to show in like a yes, brown color. Here also they use that like a brown color there. Yes, these are the mountains, like a hills also there. That green color to represent that like a grasslands. Here that like a, there is a red one like a here the settlement. The blue color to represent that like a yes, water, to represent water there. So as you can see that the picture and not a map. There are the height of that like a hillside. Behind them, a map has to show all the places without hiding them. Can you think of way in which is that like we can draw a map of this place? One way in which we can show the height on that like a maps is that like a use of colors. So how we show that like a the grassland to show with the help of that like a green color, mountains also that like a brown color there. The height of that like a places also there to show with the help of yes, colors. The map makers they use that like a colors there to show the height of the places also there. To show the height of places. Measure heights on a land. Next one. Measure measure heights on measured. Okay, tomorrow we are discussing this. Aima, పిలవండి పవన్.